Quit capsating, serenading them hoes. There's no Juliet for no Romeo with no dove. She report the pimpin', now back to trickin'. She report the pimpin', nigga back to trickin'.
What's up guys, today I'm filming something a little bit different. Today I am going to film a video in depth about my exhaust. My boy DV over at Me and Mine TV, link will be in the description, wanted me to make this video more in depth because he wants to look at my exhaust and he's thinking about putting it on his car. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna give you guys cold start, revs, try and do some point of view, and then I'll put a GoPro above my exhaust and we will see what it sounds like. Right now, I'm just going to find some open road, somewhere where I can open it up a little bit just so you can hear some little acceleration stuff. We just took some GoPro footage, like right above the exhaust. About halfway through, the GoPro fell off the car. Luckily, I had it tethered to the car, so I didn't lose it, but it was dangling around. Alright, so what exactly have I done to my exhaust? That's a great question. All I've done is change out my mufflers. Took my stock mufflers off, took it to my local muffler and brake place, and they bent pipes and welded my new mufflers on. No, I did not do anything with the whole system. The mid pipes are the same and everything, kept the same stock tips. The real question is, what mufflers did I get? Now, these mufflers are not specially made for the Camaro itself. They are universal mufflers and they are called Dynamax Race Bullet mufflers. Now they're very cheap. I got these about a year ago. Now they're very cheap. They're less than $50 each on Amazon. And that's a great deal to get a car to sound like this. They make this thing sound phenomenal. I love it. I mean, every time anyone hears it, they compliment it. DV himself, he loves it. How can you not? My mufflers cost less than $100 to buy now, and it was only like $150 labor. So overall, you're paying $250 for this great sound. All right, so I think that wraps up today's video about the exhaust on my car. But see you next time and hope you enjoyed. What is that? What is that? Seriously, what is that though? Jeez.